Hello everyone. So today this video is actually the extension of tips and tricks for solving Rubik's cube video. So actually in the last video I forgot to mention the tips and tricks for completing the first two layers. So today we are going to be seeing how to do that. So actually I hope that you know the formula to place this edge piece here or here, wherever you want in the middle layer. So yeah, so today we are going to be seeing to how to solve the last layer or the bottom layer, the tips and tricks for solving. So there are basically three cases. So the first case here is when you get a white which is facing you, then take the white to the opposite side here, to the left side, and take this piece here, and then pair the white with the white piece, I mean like white edge piece, and then place it here, so that yeah, you can see that this last layer, this piece has finally paired here. So when we come to this case also, it's same like that. Just a second. So when the white face, I mean like when the white face faces up, the white side of the this piece, the corner piece faces up, you need to use the righty algorithm 3 times. I'm sure that you know the righty algorithm, that is RU R prime U prime, 1 2 3. And then sometimes when the case comes like this, when it faces the right side, you use the formula righty algorithm 1 time. That's enough. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So for this one, it faces up, so righty 3 times. So that's the extension video for tips and tricks for solving Rubik's cube. Thanks for watching this video, and make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. If you're not yet checked our videos, you can go and check them out now itself. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. Bye.